Sai Ram class, how are you all? I hope that you all are very fine. So class, as we were in our chapter number 12, which is algebraic expression. So we had already completed 2 exercises for this chapter. Now we will start the third exercise in which we will learn how to find the value of an expression. So class, we all know that expression could be made with the help of variables and constant, right? Variable means which do not have any fixed value, and constants means which have a fixed value. So to find out the value of an expression, we should know the value of this variable. Okay, so let's start with the first question of exercise so that we can know how to find the value of an expression. So this is the first question of exercise 12.3, in which we have to find the value of given expressions if m equals to 2. That means for all these parts we have given that the value of m, that is the variable of all these parts, the value of m is 2. That means we have to place 2 in place of m to find the value of the following expression. So let's see how we have to do it. So the first part is m minus 2. So that means we know that m equals to 2. So we have to place 2 in place of m. So when we substitute the value of m in the question, it will become 2 minus 2, and 2 minus 2 gives us 0. So that means the value of this expression is 0. Let's take another part. We have 3m minus 5. Now we have to place 2 in place of this m. So when we do so, we have 3 into 2, as you are seeing that 3 is multiplying with m. So 3 into 2, and their product will subtract 5. Okay. So 3 into 2 is 6, minus 5 we have, and 6 minus 5 is 1. So the value of this expression is 1. Let's see one more example. As the third part is similar as the second one, so you can do it yourself. Let's see the example. Let's see the part 4, in which we have 3m to the power 2, means we have power 2 in m, then minus 2m, then minus 7. So we have to place 2 in place of m. Now we have 3 into 2. This 2 is in place of m, and this 2 has a power 2, as we have power 2 for m. Minus 2 into m, that is 2 into 2, and then minus 7. So first we have to solve the power. So 3 into 2 to the power 2 gives us 4. Okay. So it will become 3 into 4. Now in another bracket we have 2 into 2, that is 4. Okay. Minus 7. Now first we have to find out the product of 3 and 4. So the product of 3, 4 is 12. Then we have minus 4 and minus 7. So now solve this. We have 12 minus 11, which gives us gives us 1. So the value of this expression is 1. Okay. Let's see the last part, in which we have 5m upon 2. That means we have to place 2 in place of m. Then we have 2 in its denominator, and it is multiplying with. Maybe it is multiplying with. Let's see. No, it's minus. We have minus sign over here. It is misprinting, so it should be minus here. So 5 into 2 upon 2 minus 4. So 5 into 2 gives us 10 upon 2 minus 4. Okay. Then 10 upon 2 minus 4. So we can directly solve 2 and 10, and it will give us 5 minus 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay. So that means this is the solution for last part. You can see here also. 5 into 2 gives us 10. Then 10 is divided by 2. It gives us 5, and 5 minus 4 gives us 1. Okay. Let's look at the second question of this exercise. In this question, we have given the value of p, which is variable for all the three parts. The value of p is -2 and we have to find the value of these expression. Okay. So the first part is very easy. We just have to put -2 in place of p. So it will become 4 into -2, that is -8 plus 7. So -8 plus 7 gives us -1. Let's see the second part. You can see here, this is the second part. So when we put -2 in place of p, let's see what will be the solution. Okay, so -3. So the power of -2 will be 4. Plus we have 4 into -2 gives us -8 plus 7. Then -3 into 4 gives us -12, -8, positive 7. So -12 and -8 will add and gives us -20 plus 7 and it will -14. Sorry, -13. Okay. So the answer is -13. Let's see. Yes, you can see here. This is the same way as I have already explained. Now let's look at the third part. You can see here. Here we have -2 into p power 3. So p power 3, we all know that if we have odd power in negative, so answer will be negative. Okay. If we have even power in negative, so answer will be positive. So in this case, our answer will be negative. And 2 to the power 3 gives us 8. So that means -2 power 3 means -8. Now let's see how we have to solve it. So you can see here, -2 p power 3, that means -2 power 3, then -3 p power 2, so -2 power 2 and plus 4 -2 is the value of p. Okay. Then -7. Now -2 power 3 gives us -8. -2 power 2 gives us 4, positive 4. Now when we multiply -2 with -8, we will have 16 as answer. When we multiply 3 with 4, 12 is answer. When we multiply 4 with -2, -8 is our answer, and then positive 7. So we have 2 positive and 2 negative. So positive will add with positive and negative will add with negative. So it will be 23 minus 20. So the answer is 3. Okay. I hope this is clear to you all. Now the next question is the same. We have to find the value of expression when the value of x is given as -1. Okay, so what we have to do in all the following parts, we have to place -1 in place of x and we have to find the value of these expression. So you can see these all expressions are very simple. We have almost 2 power, not more than 2 power, so it will be very easy for you. And we already had discussed a minus value in our second part in which p equals to -2. So I hope this third question you can do yourself. Okay, so this is your home assignment for today. Now let's move on to the next question. Now the fourth question is, we have given the value of two variables. One is a equals to 2. Second is b equals to -2, and we have to find the value of these expressions. So let's start with part 1, which is a square plus b square. So you can see here we have to put the value of a, which is 2, in place of a, and value of b, which is -2, in place of b. So 2 power 2 gives us 4 and -2 power 2 also gives us 4, and 4 plus 4 is 8. Now the second part is a square plus ab plus b square. So a has value 2. So we have to put 2 in place of a. Then AB means a is multiplying with b. So we have to put a value which is 2 and minus 2 which is value of b. So here 2 will be multiplied with minus 2. Now the next is minus 2 have power 2. Now 2 power 2 gives us 4. 2 multiplying with minus 2 gives us minus 4 and minus 2 power 4 gives us 4. Now we have 4, minus 4 and positive 4. So these positive will add with positive, so it will become 8 minus 4 and 8 minus 4 gives us 4. Or what we can see, positive 4 will cancel out with negative 4 and our answer is 4. Okay. Now let's look at the third part, which is also very easy. Just put the value of a in place of a and b in place of b. So 2 power 2 gives us 4 and minus 2 power 2 also gives us 4. But here we have negative sign in between them, so the answer is 0. Now in question number 5, we have given the value of two variables, a equals to 0 and b equals to minus 1, and we have to find the value of these expression. So let's start with first part, which is 2a plus 2b. Now put the value of a, which is 0, in place of a, that is 2 into 0, you can see here, and b, which is minus 1, in place of b, that is 2 into minus 1. So 2 into 0 will be 0 and 2 into minus 1 will be minus 2. So our answer is minus 2. Now the next question is, that is second part, 2a square plus b square plus 1. So 2 is multiplying with a square and we have 0 as a value of a. So 2 is multiplying with 0 will become 0. Minus 1 power 2 will be 1 and we have positive 1 at the end. So plus 1 gives us 2. Third part is 2 multiplying with a square. As we all know that the value of a is 0. So this whole term will become 0. And in the next term we have a multiplying with 2 and b square. Again we know that the value of a is 0. So this whole term will become 0. Then in the last term we have a is multiplying with b and we all know that the value of a is 0. So this term will also become 0. So the answer is 0. Last part is we have a square, that is 0 square. So this term will be 0. Then in next term we have a into b, that is 0 is multiplying with minus 1. So it will also become 0. And at the end we have positive 2. So the answer is 2. Okay. So this is very easy as we have the 0 as a value of a. So most of the term already or itself becomes 0 because it is multiplying with a, that is 0. Now let's move on to the next question. Now simplify the expression and find the value of x. Find the value of expression if x is equals to 2. That means we have given the value of x equals to 2 and we have to find the value of these expression. So children, you can easily see that this whole exercise is based on just to find the value of expression and when we have given the value of variable. Okay. So let's see the few parts of this question. You can see the first part is x plus 7 plus 4x minus 5. So as we know that the value of x is 2. So we have to put 2 in place of x. Before doing so, what we can do, we can simply or simplify the term given. So you can see here we have x plus 7 plus 4 which is multiplying with x minus 5. So let's try to simplify this. So 4 multiplying with x will become 4x and 4 multiplying with minus 5 will be minus 20. Now this positive x and positive 4x will become 5x and positive 7 and negative 20 will be negative 13. Okay. Now what we can do, we have to just place the value of x in place of x, and it will be 10 minus 13, which is minus 3. So the answer is minus 3. You can see here. Okay. So what we can do, we can first simplify the given expression, then we can easily put the value of given variable and easily find the value of expression. Now in the second part, you can see we have 3x plus 2 plus 5x minus 7. So it is 3x plus 6. As 3 is multiplying with x, so it will be 3x, and 3 is multiplying with 2, so it will be 6 plus 5x minus 7. So 3x plus 5x will become 8x, and positive 6 and negative 7 will become minus 1. Now we have to place the value of x in place of x. So it will be 8 into 2 minus 1, that is 16 minus 1, which gives us 15. Okay. Now let's see the third part. Let's try to simplify the given expression first. So this is our expression. So we have to multiply 5 with the bracket. So 5 with x gives us 5x, and 5 with 2 will give minus 2 will give a minus 10. Then positive 6x, positive 5x will give us 11x and minus 10. Now we have to place the value of x. So it will be 11 into 2 minus 10, that is 22 minus 10, it will be 12. Okay. I hope you all find these question very easy. Now let's do the fourth part. So let's first simplify the given expression. So this is our expression. So this is our expression. Now first we have to multiply 4 with 2x, so it will be 8x, minus 4 with minus 1, so it will be minus 4, plus 3x plus 11. 8x and 3x will be 11x, minus 4 and plus 11 will be plus 7. Now place the value of x. So it will be 11 into 2 plus 7, 22 plus 7 gives us which value? 29. Okay. So this is it for 6th question. It is very easy. Just calculation, and we have to place the value of given variable. Now let's do the last part for today's class, which is question number 7. In this, first we have to simplify the given expression, then we have to find the value of expression. If the value of x is given as 3, value of a is given as minus 1, value of b is given as minus 2. So that means this is the same as we did in question number 6. First we have to simplify the given expression. So I hope you can do the question number 7 by your own. So first you have to simplify the equation. As you can see here, the first part is 3x minus 5 minus x plus 9. So first we have to solve 3x with minus x. So it will be 2x, then minus 5 plus 9, it will be positive 4. Now we have to place the value of x, which is given as 3, and after simple simplification we will get our answer. Same thing you have to do for all the other parts. We have given the value of a, which is minus 1. We have given the value of b, which is minus 2, and you can all do all this question very easily. So that means the question number 7 is also your home assignment for today. You can do it very easily by your own. So class, what you have to do today, you have to solve question number 3 and 7 by your own, and you have to practice all this question again and again. So keep practicing. Thank you for today.